Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to make a fun, simple Thinking of You card. Now I have this gorgeous Dinnerplate Dahlia. It's a new stencil from the May release at Colorful Life Designs. I have some inks from 𝗂𝗄𝗄. I have pink champagne, lilac, crushed violet. I'm trying to think of the other ones that I have here. I'll see if I can read them a moment. And then I have matcha and I think wintergreen. So I'm going to use all 5 of these colors to do some simple ink blending. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed. But this really came together super quickly, and this design is just ready to go. It's amazing. I absolutely love the way that Mary Kay at Colorful Life Designs designs her stencils. She has other ones with dahlias in the shop, and I'm obsessed with that flower in particular, so I was really excited that there was a new one in the lineup for this month. So I do have a coupon, AmyFan10, if you shop for anything at Colorful Life Designs. Be sure to use my coupon at checkout. It will work for everything except the Master Creator Bundle. So it'll work for bling, stencils, all the stuff. So I'm starting with the pink color in the center of all the blooms, and then I'm working to the lighter purple, and then ultimately the darker purple. And I'm just trying to be a little mindful to avoid the stems so I don't overlap, but it's not a huge deal if I do. If you're concerned about it, you can go ahead and put like a little bit of mint tape or something over the stems, but I was able to work around it and it did just fine. Now I'm going to wipe off some of the purple just because I don't want to accidentally contaminate and put the purple where I want the green of the stem, but I'm going to start with that lighter wintergreen color first and then come in with a little bit of matcha just in a couple spots to deepen it up. So very simple. You can see this literally just took about a minute, maybe 2 minutes tops. And I do decide to cut this down with a cool stitched edge rectangle die. This is from Paper Rose. I will link all the available products in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find all those details. And if you do use my affiliate links, it really does help me out, and it's no additional cost to you. So I appreciate that. Now I have these new stamps and dies. This is a Concord 9th Christina Werner collaboration, and this is my first time using these. And you can see I cut them all out in white, knowing that I would end up wanting to custom color them. So I could custom color the sentiment portion, or in this case, like what I'm doing, the background. And I decided to use that pink champagne color, so it'll be a perfect match. And then I'll just pop this white die cut right down on top of it. Now this is really super fiddly. I didn't want to use my micro dots because I feel like it would have been difficult because it's so thin, and I didn't want to deal with oozage. So what I did is I just squirted a little bit of glue onto my little scratch pad here. I have my tweezers and just a little makeup foam, and I'm just pouncing some glue on the back of it just so that there's not a ton of oozage, and I'm trying to eliminate as much frustration as I can working with this otherwise kind of fiddly little die. But all the little pieces are connected. As you can see, there's no little tittles. It's just all connected on that center line, which I absolutely love about that die. Now here you can see I'm just custom coloring the card base. This is US A2 size, 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2. It's 120-pound accent opaque, and I did just sandwich it in some scratch paper so I didn't get ink all over my work surface or on the inside of the card base. Now I'm going to pop it up with some thin foam tape. This is 1 millimeter thick from 𝗵𝗵𝗃𝗃.com. It's 1 inch wide. It's my favorite. I've been using it a ton lately because it gives it some dimension, but it doesn't make it too thick. So it makes it less likely to kind of get hung up in the post. So I'm going to remove those backer strips and then just lay this down right on my card base, and then I'll have that nice matching coordinated border. So I'm just messing with this a little bit. They're being a little difficult to come off. But once I get that off, I will kind of center that onto the card base and then move on to the next step. And I did have little pieces as well. I used a little bit of it behind the sentiment just to pop that up. And I'm going to put that in the white open space in the top right portion of the card. And now I'm just going to finish it with some bling. So there's, I think, over 130 colors of bling in the shop at Colorful Life Designs. You can also use my coupon for this, AmyFan10. I'm just picking out which one I want. There's so many cool purples and pinks, but I ended up going with the gorgeous wisteria color, and it worked perfect with these gorgeous 𝗂𝗄𝗄 colors. So thank you so much for spending time with me. If you enjoyed this, please do hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will link everything below, and don't forget my coupon AmyFan10 if you shop. Thanks for spending time with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.